We're here at the Wyndham here in Avon, Ohio. I guess in Schindler. HT's here. There it is. Got this one. Let's go 4. All right, here we go. Here are 4. Let's go to 1. Okay, cat view. These are nice. These 35 pounds. Here at 1. Set this up 2. Let's get the other one. There's that one. Let's get the other one. And here's this one. There's somebody who's about to get off. Let's go to 4. All right, here we go. Here are 4. So 1. But closest does not work on Schindler. Let's get a calf view. These are nice elevators. These 35 pounds. Here 1. Watch it close. And that's it.